Hi, my name is Rory Daly, and welcome to Daily Travels. The first car place I hit up was Nissan Crossing. It is located in the high-end Tokyo shopping district that is Ginza. From my hotel, it was a short walk. Your experience may vary, just know that they closed the road to vehicular traffic to facilitate shopping on certain days. Nissan Crossing is described as a showroom, but I'd call it a Nissan-themed cafe. There are 2 floors, the first being a showcase for various Nissan models, current, concept, motorsports, and historical. The second floor is more display space and the cafe with Nismo swag and themed food and drinks on sale. Fancy a GTR latte? Then visit Nissan Crossing. It's best to check the website to see what display vehicles are there before visiting.